Oh, good morning. Welcome back to another beautiful day of 75 hard. Okay, so with this, today is day 75 or 75 hard. देखते ही देखते 75 days निकल गए 1 2 3 4. Now we are standing here today at day 75 with all the progress we have done. So you can see I have started from 80 kg. Let's track the weight for today. Okay, so weight today is 74.25. आई रिमेंबर लास्ट टाइम जो हमने इसी चैनल पे वेट ट्रैक करा था, इट वाज अराउंड 73. देन उसके बाद मैंने वेट ट्रैक बंद कर दिया था बिकॉज आई डिसाइडेड टू डू इट ऑन द लास्ट डे. बट मीनवाइल बीच में मैंने वेट ट्रैक किया था व्हेन आई वाज गोइंग वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट विद माय डाइट. तब क्या हुआ, रिमेंबर गोइंग डाउन टिल 72 kg एंड वन डे इट वाज 71 kg. देन आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग जॉइंट पेन्स. मेरी नीज पे पेन होना स्टार्ट हो गया, चैनल विजन आने स्टार्ट हो गए. तो आई डिसाइडेड ओके लेट्स स्टॉप, लेट्स नॉट रिपीट द सेम मिस्टेक अगेन एंड लेट्स डू इट इन अ हेल्दी वे. तो आई इंक्लूडेड कार्ब्स दैट डे. जर्नी में अपने कार्ब्स इंक्लूड करे थे. I started eating rice, I started eating oats more. So that was the reason. Basically last 75 hard के बाद भी जब मेरा 75 hard खत्म हुआ था, उसके बाद I started gaining weight back again very fast because I was not eating carbs completely. I was doing only strict diet. So that was not a sustainable choice. तो इसलिए इस बार मैंने सब कुछ खाया. I had peanut butter, मैंने बाहर का भी खाया. I have documented everything on this journey, whether it is going out and eating momos, गोलगप्पे, everything. फूड मतलब मैंने completely restrict नहीं करा, but I limited it. and उसके साथ साथ घर का खाना, अपना healthy खाना, अपना meat वाला खाना, I continued to consume it. So that's why you can see I am currently standing at 74 with everything, with my current lifestyle where I am eating everything, where I am doing everything I want to do. With this we are starting our day. We'll continue to talk throughout the day, but right now the time is, so I'll see you guys again once I'm back from the gym with my breakfast meal. Okay, so basically there's a slight change in plan. Right now the time is 12:30. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि 1.5 घंटे अपना ऑफिस का काम खत्म करके, मतलब 2-3 बजे, 2:30 बजे के अराउंड, 2:30 के अराउंड जिम, 2-2:30 बजे के अराउंड जिम चलते हैं. Then meanwhile I thought कि let's have a pre-workout meal today. So this is my pre-workout meal: 50 grams of oats and 3 अंडों omelette. इसके बाद we'll try to eat only boiled eggs. Then we'll have a final meal as per our normal schedule. So this is the change in plan. Let me finish my breakfast. Let me finish my pre-workout meal. Let me finish थोड़ा सा काम. Then actually basically the plan is कि मेरे को थोड़ा gym खा लीजिए. I'm trying to shoot some content, that's why. So let's go. Let me finish everything. Then once I'm leaving for the gym, I'll update you guys. So I just in gym. अभी just gym आया. फटाफट अपना वर्कआउट फिनिश करते हैं. Then I'll update you guys about the rest of the day. Okay guys, so done with the workout. It was a leg day, hamstring focused. So good workout it was. एक और चीज़ जो मैं 75 हार्ड का कंटिन्यू रखने वाला हूँ, the same consistency which I have shown during the 75 hard. Basically last 75 hard क्या हुआ था, I gave all of my and put myself in completely during the 75 hard. Burst out after the 75 hard. I cheated a lot, completely disgusting meals, carbs every day. I gained a kg से body weight बढ़ा. Workout inconsistent हो गया. I used to go to the gym 1 or 2, so I think I needed rest. ऐसे करके मैंने 1 महीने का रेस्ट लिया. इससे पूरी बॉडी खराब होगी. That's why I have to do 75 again. I'm not gonna repeat the same mistake again. Reason being, तो किसी भी वीक मुझे लगता है कि I'm above 75 kg and definitely I'm gonna do it. But otherwise बॉडी की कंडीशन आप लोगों को भी दिखाता हूँ. Okay guys, so I'm finally back home. You know the time is 3:30. अभी फटाफट जाके फ्रेश एंड अपना शावर लेकर आता हूँ. देन उसके साथ साथ मैं अपनी पोस्ट वर्कआउट मील विच इज गोना बी एग बॉइल्ड एग, 4 बॉइल्ड एग आई कंज्यूम. तो वो भी जाकर लेकर आता हूँ मीनवाइल. देन आई सी यू गाइस विद माय पोस्ट वर्कआउट मील एंड वंस आई एम फ्रेश एंड shower and all everything is done. So we have this as the post workout meal. This is 4 अंडों का बॉइल्ड एग है with very on top. फटाफट इसे फिनिश करते हैं. Then let's get ready. साथ फिर अपना ऑफिस का काम स्टार्ट करके उसे कंप्लीट करते हैं. Then I'll update you guys whatever happens. Okay guys, so time for the update. You can see मेरा ऑफिस का काम is completed. Meanwhile ट्रेडिंग एनालिसिस भी हो गए. बहुत अच्छा सेटअप बनता दिख रहा है. मे बी वी कैन गेट दी अपॉर्चुनिटी, A+ potential prop opportunity जो हम usually trade करते हैं because I am funded with FX with $50,000. So I don't take any trade. I only take A+ potential. We are up right now on the account. और स्किन क्यू ब्रांड का जो अभी रिसेंटली पीआर करा था उसका भी इज येट टू बी अप्रूव्ड। आज रिस्पॉन्स आया था, थोड़े बहुत चेंजेस करने थे, दैट इज डन एंड सेंट फॉर रिव्यू अगेन। मीनवाइल आई एम गोइंग टू कुक माय फाइनल मील। वंस आई एम बैक आई विल सी यू गाइस विद माय फाइनल मील एंड द अपडेट फॉर रेस्ट ऑफ द डे। Okay guys, so I'm back with my final meal. Let me show you what we have. So on the occasion of day 75, we are ending day 75 and 75 hard today. I have created a beautiful dish. So this is Afghani chicken in my style, in healthy style, in homemade style. I have tried to make it and this is the same lasagna which I make. Let's see. Oh my god, this is so amazing. The gravy थोड़ी कम है because मैंने तो सुखाया क्योंकि मैं इस लजाने में भी fill करता हूँ, that's why. Otherwise it is so delicious and different definitely. Meanwhile trading का update setup is still on. अगर कोई entry मिलती है potential तो I'm gonna take it. Otherwise let me finish this meal. I'll go for a run. Then I'll see you guys at the day end and we'll talk a little. That's what is gonna be the future plan ahead. Okay guys, so finally time for 75 hard end update. This is not day end, this is the end update of 75 hard. So basically we have come a long way. We started at 80 kg body weight and currently standing at 74. Very low body fat, but one thing is still missing in the body. You can see physique update. मतलब good shoulder, good chest, good biceps, good back, good legs. Everything is fine, perfectly fine. Good citation, good conditioning, but one thing is still missing. I still do not have good conditioned abs. Actually, I do not even have abs. मतलब अच्छी lighting में 4 abs दिख जाते हैं, but that too flat. So this is something missing in my body. So the next update I'll give you कि what's after this 75 hard. Planning to start a series wherein next target is my weakness. My core is my weakness. So I will convert my weakness into my strength and best part of my body. So this will be new series I'll be starting. Most probably on YouTube too, but I'll be continuing it on the YouTube and Instagram. So you can follow me on my Instagram if you want to get connected with me. This channel पे you are gonna see mixed content of everything. I'll definitely gonna post vlogs. I'm gonna post cinematic content. I'm gonna post gym education, fitness education, be it my own progress about everything, be it my running progress, be it my gym progress, be it anything, whatever I am doing in my life or anything I think which can motivate you to continue your journey. So I'll see you guys again. I'll post more entertaining content, more mix of everything. So I'll see you guys again there. Till then, tata, see you. Bye bye.